Good morning, children. Welcome back to learning. Today we are going to learn about food safety. It is very important. Okay, let's start learning. Before you start eating, you need to wash your hands because all of you will be playing outside or at the home. You will touch many things by your hands, isn't it? When you touch things, germs from that things will be there in your hand. If you don't wash your hands before you start eating, all the germs will go to your stomach and you may feel down. You may fall ill. Okay, that's why washing hands is very important. Gargle your mouth after eating. Once you finish eating, you should gargle your mouth so that unwanted small pieces of food should not be there in your mouth. Okay? Eat food in small bites. Take a small bites when you eat food because this will help you in digestion. Chew your food well. If you don't chew your food, the food which you have taken, it will not get digested. Then you will feel stomach ache. Okay, that's why whenever you are eating, you should chew your food well. Okay, after chewing only you should swallow it. Okay, children, understood? Do not eat quickly. You want to play or you want to watch cartoon. For that you will finish your lunch, breakfast or whatever you are eating very fastly. What happens that time? The food which you are taken, it will not get digested. You may feel hurt in your throat. In urgent, when you are eating, sometimes some part of or some food may get stuck in your throat. That's why don't eat food quickly. Enjoy the food. Sit very calm and quiet. Enjoy the food and take a short small bites. Eat slowly and chew well. Do not eat food that is fallen on the floor. Okay, you should not eat the food which is fallen on the floor because everyone will be walking here and there and some dust will be there on the floor. So you should not eat that food which is fallen on the floor because it may catch many germs. When you eat that food, you will fall ill. That's why don't eat those kind of food which is fallen on the floor. Okay, children? Do not talk when you have food in your mouth. Okay? While having food or keeping food in the mouth and talking with someone may hurt you. That's why do not talk when you have food in your mouth. Okay, children? Do not eat raw non-plant food. For small children, some raw non-plant food will not get digested. Your tummy will start aching. Okay, that's why you should not eat raw non-plant food. It may be meat and any other food. Okay, children, while you are having lunch, dinner or breakfast, you should follow all these safety measures so that you should not get harmed. Okay, children, these are very important. Practice it daily and be happy, stay healthy. Okay, children, thank you. Take care of your health and have a nice day.